You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these Japanese manga artist and the creator, in particular, of the series One Piece. That's what he's most famous for. If you want to learn more names from One Piece, make sure to stay tuned to character names that are confusing. I'll have all of them for you. So, the Japanese pronunciation and how you can easily say it in English. In Japanese, Oda Eiichiro, or Eiichiro Oda. In Japanese, you'd say the other way around. Oda Eiichiro. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation would be as Eiichiro Oda. It's easy, and now you know more characters from One Piece right here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.